Hello, North London Budget Gardener here, 2nd of July. About a month ago, I had realised that all the tomato seeds I'd planted before Easter was going to be eaten by the slugs. So I had a few seeds left, so I made a special plant in some pots to grow them independently until they're big enough to be planted, which I'll probably do tomorrow on the 3rd of July. Let me show you those. These tomato seedlings were grown in a pot. There's not that many, there was actually a lot more, but I went on holiday and they didn't get watered, so some of them didn't make it. But these seedlings have grown for about a month, and tomorrow on the 3rd of July I'm going to put them in. Look at these stalks. The stalks have got little pokey hairs on them. Those pokey hairs should stop the slugs from eating them. So tomorrow I'll put them in.